Thanks, Kate. I'm Howie Do-It, Dr. Howie Do-It to you. Today we're going to look at the life cycle of a butterfly. A butterfly lives about 6 to 8 weeks, which is 75 years in terms of a human lifetime. We start out our life as an egg, but since I don't have an egg, I'm going to use this sleeping bag instead. All right, we spend about 6 days in butterfly time inside our egg, which is like 7.5 years in terms of a human's lifetime. Then finally, we hatch out into a caterpillar. Our first meal is likely to be our eggshell. Blah! Then we get to start munching on some tasty leaves. A lot of tasty leaves, actually. A caterpillar may eat several times its weight every day, which means the amount of lettuce here is what I would eat in about 6 hours. When I'm not eating, I'm either shedding my skin as I grow quite rapidly, or resting. Man, this is a life. I think it's time for lunch again. All right, we've been doing the eating, sleeping, and resting thing now, and shedding our skin, for about the last 32 years in a human lifetime, and now it's time for a little nap. I am now hanging by my feet from a rope. If I were actually a butterfly, I would have spat some sticky stuff out of my mouth and attached my tail into a leaf or twig. Then I would wriggle around out of my caterpillar skin, and underneath would be a pupal skin or chrysalis. I would then spend the next 2 or 3 weeks, which is 20 years to you and me, hanging upside down like this. Boy, am I getting a headache. Why don't we fast forward? I am now in my chrysalis shell. Inside of here, my caterpillar body dissolves and is replaced by that of a butterfly. Talk about a rough adolescence. At least I don't get zits. Okay, 20 years of human lifetime have gone by, or 2 to 3 weeks for a butterfly, and it is now time to bust out of here. Woohoo! 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 I'm a butterfly now. Now all I have to do is hang here for about 4 more hours and wait for my wings to dry. That's 81 days in human terms, but after what we've already been through, that's nothing. Today is the first day of the rest of our life. As a butterfly, we've only got about 10 days left to do all those cool butterfly things like flying around and drinking nectar and basking in the sun and, oh yeah, finding a mate. Life is short, gotta fly. I'm Dr. Howie Do-It, and that's how we do it.